Let me show you how I cook this sweet, amazing corn. It's very easy. You're gonna love this one. But first, very important, before anything else, I feed my cat. Yes, I give my cat some fresh strawberries. You know, my cat loves strawberries. I don't know if it's normal, but every time I bring out strawberries, she starts acting like she owns the house. So I give her one, and now she's happy. Okay, now let's get to the main thing. So my mother, she went to the farm. You see, there's this farm where she plants corn every year. That's where we get the sweetest, juiciest corn you can ever imagine. I'm telling you, farm fresh corn hits different. Look at this corn in the farm. Just look at how beautiful it looks. Shining under the sun with those green leaves and the golden tips peeking out. You can already tell it's gonna be sweet. Now watch this. See how my mother cuts the corn? Very sharp, clean cut. And then she starts peeling off the husk. It's like unwrapping a present from nature. Look at how the corn looks. Beautiful. Pure golden color, no filter, no camera tricks, just fresh from the farm. After we picked enough corn, we went home straight. No delay, because you know, the fresher the corn, the sweeter it tastes. Now let's get to cooking. It's very simple. First, we clean the corn properly. Remove all those little silk threads, those tiny hairs that like to stick everywhere. After cleaning, we boil some water in a big pot. When the water starts bubbling, we add a little salt to the water. You can also add a small spoon of sugar if you want that extra sweetness. But here's our special trick. We add peas. Yes, green peas. When you cook corn together with peas, the flavor is different. The peas release this mild sweetness into the water and the corn absorbs it. Trust me, it's magic. You can try it. So we add the corn into the boiling water with peas, cover the pot, and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. You don't need to overcook it, just until it's tender and juicy. And while it's cooking, oh my God, the aroma in the kitchen. If you're around, you'll be asking, what's that sweet smell? Now let's check it out. Look at how this corn looks now, golden, shiny, and soft. We bring it out of the pot, add a little butter while it's still hot. You know, so the butter melts and sinks into the corn. Sprinkle a little chili pepper if you like it spicy, or leave it plain if you just want that natural sweet taste. Now, look at this beauty. Just look at it. Sweet, juicy, perfect. Now wait. I need to tell you about something special. You see this small thing people use to hold corn? I don't know how you call it where you are, but we call it that little stick you press into the side of the corn, hold both ends, and eat like a boss. Ah, if you eat corn with PA, you will die young. I swear. Not in a bad way, but you will die of enjoyment. The way the corn enters your mouth sweetly without your hands getting oily. Ah! You'll just be smiling anyhow. You'll be licking your fingers. You'll forget your name. You'll even forget you had problems before you started eating this corn. That's how good it is. And you see those peas we cooked it with? You can eat them as well. They soak up the sweetness from the corn, and they taste amazing too. Honestly, you need to try this. Fresh farm corn, cooked with peas, a little salt, maybe a spoon of sugar if you're extra like me, and some butter. That's all you need to make yourself happy today. And please, don't forget the cat. Mine's already waiting for her second round of strawberries. So that's how we make our sweet, amazing corn. Simple, fresh, and delicious. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe. I'll be bringing you more easy, fun, and tasty recipes like this. Thank you for watching. See you next time.